Hi everyone, it's me, Anju, and it's my first vlog. I can't wait to explore Thailand. So we got here sa Suvarnabhumi Airport like 11:30 p.m. And I was so surprised kasi ang laki ng airport nila. So refreshing, so clean, and very simple. We got this Grab sa apps ko and heading to our hotel. So, and then I heard may 7-Eleven dito malapit sa hotel namin. Look at that essentials. Parang hindi siya convenience store. And yeah, nakakatuwa. And this is our first day, so we decided to get breakfast. And I choose McDonald's, yung sa Wadika post niya. Yan yung sinadya ko talaga. And it was fun. We took a picture. It's gonna be a long day for us. Papunta na kami sa Wat Arun and we took this BTS Skytrain. It's our first time. It's my first time. It's so exciting, but at the same time, challenging. Kasi, di ba, well, we made it. Nandito na kami sa boat ferry. Kasi sabi nila, mas easy daw yung access from BTS and boat ferry to Wat Arun. So, we did it. Nakakatuwa. So, fun. And it's Saturday. Maraming tao sa boat and dito sa Wat Arun. Look at that. Gorgeous Wat Arun. One of the beautiful temples sa Bangkok. And the goal is to get the traditional dress. Nirent namin siya. We stayed here like 2 hours. Picture, nag-TikTok, nag-video. And it was so fun. Kailan pag pumunta kayo, experience nyo talaga yan. Magkakalapit lang sila ng temple. And then, we decided to go sa another temple sa Wat Po. But then, magla-lunch muna kami at this beautiful restaurant. Actually, medyo konting expensive siya kasi, you know, Wat Arun view, di ba? So, we made it here sa Wat Po. And this is the Golden Reclining Buddha. Na I'm so amazed. Napakaano talaga. Kaya lang sobrang dami ng tao pero so amazing talaga. Ito yung traditional nila na you should pagkasyahin mo yung coins kasi kung hindi daw, at the end kasi kung hindi daw, may jinx daw. So, you try to pagkasyahin talaga siya. Ito yung labas ng Wat Po. Beautiful Wat Po. Nakaka-chill lang. Picture, yan. And then we took this tuk-tuk ride. Papuntang na kami ng market. So, that will be my next vlog. So, hope you like it. See you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye!